Welcome everyone. Today we have with us a guest who has Bollywood literally running through her veins. She's an actor. She's walked the ramp. She has done music videos. Some of them have actually garnered more than 150 million views on YouTube. One of my favorites is Milonatum. You might know her as the daughter of legendary actor Govindaji. But she's creating her own path, her own way with entrepreneurship, with Bollywood, with sass, with style, and of course, a killer skin. Tina, welcome.
Thank you so much. Thank you for all the kind words and compliments, and thank you for having me.
You're welcome. देखो, आज का कॉन्सेप्ट
हाँ जी,
बहुत सिंपल है, चिल करने का.
ठीक है.
ठीक है. The podcast is all about being the original you. We're just going to have a fun conversation.
Absolutely.
And let's hope we get something meaningful out of it.
Done. Let's have fun.
All right. So, I hope you do not mind, but मैं conversation अपने fanboy moment के साथ start करना चाहूँ.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
You know, I'm a huge. It goes without saying. I think anybody who's in their 30s and 40s, वो गोविंदा जी को देख के ही बड़ा हुआ. I should say Govinda sir. Sorry.
Okay. Anything is okay.
I can't. So तो 30s 40s में जो भी बड़ा हुआ है, of course गोविंदा सर को ही देख के बड़ा हुआ है. In fact, one of my fondest memories from my childhood, I lost my dad early.
Okay.
So my fondest memories with him are when हमारा एक रूटीन होता था. रोज शाम को जब पापा आते थे तो of course he'll have his 2 minutes. And then हम लोग जमीन पे बैठ के खाना खाते थे.
Wow.
सामने टीवी चल रहा होता था and mostly movies होती थी. 3 out of the 4 days in the week that movie would be either हसीना मान जाएगी
Oh.
or sometimes हेरा फेरी, right? But ये fixed schedule था. I can recite most dialogues of that movie. I can imitate Govinda sir but only on request later.
Don't worry, मैं करवा लूँगी आपसे.
Right? So I've kind of been there. So मैं हमेशा, since the time we discussed that you will be here on the podcast and we'll be talking, the one thing that I haven't been able to imagine is कि वो घर में कैसे होता होगा. मतलब क्या एकदम फिल्मी ड्रामा, वो घर में माहौल कैसा होता होगा, So
Firstly, I want to say that जो हेरा फेरी and हसीना मान जाएगी, they both are my favorite actors. My father's my favorite actor, and Akshay Kumar ji is one of my favorite actors. I just love both of them and the way they are. Their comic timings are so good, and Papa is just Papa at home. He's nothing different or something. He's just a very chilled out person, a very very chilled out and a very happy person. Yeah.
But family groups भी होंगे.
Family
WhatsApp groups.
नहीं, हम बहुत ओल्ड स्कूल टाइप के लोग हैं. हम सीधा फोन उठाते हो, बोलते हैं हाँ भैया कहाँ हो. ओके आ जाओ घर आ जाओ.
मुझे लगा फैमिली ग्रुप्स है
नहीं,
उसके ऊपर
नहीं,
मम्मी मीम्स भेज रही है, गोविंदा मीम्स.
नहीं, हम बहुत ही अच्छे, वेरी ओल्ड स्कूल, वेरी ऑथेंटिक काइंड ऑफ अ फैमिली. सीधा फोन उठाते हैं, मैसेज करते हैं, कॉल करते हैं, अच्छा कहाँ हो, आ जाओ.
Wonderful. But here we are to kind of talk about you, right? And I was actually very surprised. Actually, not shouldn't say surprised. I noticed that you've actually been costume designing in more than 300.
Yeah, I've done a lot
movies,
of
etc.
not movies, like I've done a lot of projects behind the camera. Yeah, a lot.
But I think there's one movie with again Govinda sir. That
Yeah,
you did costume for.
I've done 2 films with him. Yeah.
उनके costume कैसे design कर सकता है कोई?
I think I'm blessed. God has been kind to me that we clicked very well. And I always, as I told you, my dad has been my favorite actor. So, जैसे while I was in school, the papa used to half of the time be in the shootings. तो एक बहाना भी मिल गया मुझे उनके साथ रहने का और उनके साथ सीखने का, because there's a lot to learn from him apart from just acting or cinema or movies or anything. There's so much else that you can learn from my dad. He's like a really entertaining person and a very knowledgeable person, I can say. But एक्चुअली क्या होता था कि एक ट्यूनिंग बन गई थी हमारी, बिकॉज जो वो बोलते थे कि ऐसे कुछ कर लेते, तो वी यूज्ड टू कम अप विद डिफरेंट आइडियाज, सो हो जाता था. एंड आई रियली एंजॉय वर्किंग विद हिम. सो मस्ती करते करते काम निकल जाता था.
All right. The other thing that you also do is, you're an entrepreneur and you're running a clothing and jewelry brand,
Yeah,
right? So
yeah.
how's that journey been?
So it's very new to talk about
Yeah.
it right now because working behind the cameras and everything. So now I want to focus a little bit more on my passions and things that I enjoy doing. So abhi we are quite new. We are still on the verge of coming up with a lot of things, a lot of PR activities, and I'm going to definitely come again to
course.
talk more about it
Yeah.
because right now we are under production.
Okay.
So मुझे अभी ज़्यादा नहीं बोलना है. एक बार आ जाए घमासान तो फिर बोलूँगी.
No, but all the very best for it. I
Thank
know,
you.
I know it's. I can only tell you it's going to be a tough journey, right? With its
Okay.
ups and downs, but enjoy.
But it's
right?
fine.
So,
I totally enjoy.
अगर passion है,
हाँ जी.
तो सब निकल जाता है.
सही बात है.
Right. So coming from your passion to little bit of my passion, I would say, what's the secret behind your great skin? मतलब मैं तो देखो हमारा तो काम ही skin hair का है.
हाँ जी.
Right. So what's your secret? What is it that you abide by and stuff?
So with me ना हमारे घर में like whether it's both my parents, my father's never done any kind of skin treatments. उन्होंने अपने like when he was even whenever he's shooting or whatever it is ना, he's a very desi person. तो उनका हमेशा ये होता था कि कच्चा दूध लगा लिया skin पे, मलाई लगा ली skin पे, बेसन लगा लिया. He used to do all of that and he was too much into having avlas and juices and charge and all of that. उनका बहुत वो था. My mom has never done any treatments. So growing up, for me, getting any kind of skin treatments is like a very big thing. So I have only stuck to one thing in my entire life because I used to play football in school. So I was into sports in school.
Wow.
So I just stick to cleanups. I sleep very well. And I have lots of water. This again I've got it from my dad. He drinks a lot of water. And for me it's more about keeping yourself internally very healthy. Like I do my juices. I have like these 2 glasses of juices every day. All veggies. No fruit juices. सारे veg के juices मैं पीती हूँ. मैं coconut water daily पीती हूँ. Not in the winters, but I daily have coconut water. I have either I'm having ghee every day, 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon of ghee I have every day, चाहे वो रोटी के साथ हो या खाने के साथ हो जाए. And what else? I have lots of berries. मेरे नाश्ते में हमेशा berries होते ही है. So after my workout, I have this one juice which has a bowl of strawberries, a bowl of berries, and a kiwi with 10 almonds. And a little bit of water.
Wow.
So, I try to have lots of nuts, lots of, I'm a vegetarian. So I have lots of nuts, I have berries, I have my green juices, I sleep well, and I have lots of water. Yeah.
The Punjabi in me just turned turtles. मैं कह रहा था कि इन सब में भटूरे खाएं.
छोले भटूरे मैं खाती हूँ. मैंने कल ही खाया by the way. मैं कल दिल्ली आई हूँ चंडीगढ़ से. मैंने कल ही मैं हल्दीराम्स में गई. मैंने खाया छोले भटूरे, बट थोड़ा सा खाया, ज़्यादा नहीं. बिकॉज मैं मक्खन भी खा लेती हूँ, रोज़ खाती हूँ मैं मक्खन. मतलब जब मैं बॉम्बे में होती हूँ तो मैं चंडीगढ़ होती हूँ तो मैं डेली वाइट मक्खन तो मेरा डेली होता ही है. बट आई कीप अ बैलेंस. मतलब मुझे अच्छा लगता है जब मैं थोड़ी शेप में रहती हूँ.
Of course. I know that balance is. I try to maintain it.
हाँ जी.
भटूरे खराब कर देते हैं. बस मैं कसम
इधर बहुत क्रेज है छोले भटूरे का. आई फील बॉम्बे में नहीं है इतना. बॉम्बे also, and I don't think Chandigarh also. I've not seen that.
How is that? Punjabi foodie.
हाँ जी.
In Bombay.
हाँ जी.
कैसा चल रहा है? This is always this Delhi Bombay war, no?
So yeah, let's get started with that. But मैं आपको एक बात बताऊँ, जैसे जब मुझे पराठे खाने होते हैं तो मेरे घर में एक बहुत अच्छे शेफ है, वो मुझे पराठे बना के दे ही देते हैं. तो मेरा मतलब ऐसा कोई वो नहीं है कि हम हफ्ते में एक बार खा लेते हैं, बट नॉट लाइक अ डेली थिंग. लाइक दैट्स द सीन. यहाँ पे बहुत क्रेज है ये सब छोले भटूरे एंड कुलचे एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट का. लाइक पीपल इन दिल्ली आर वेरी फूडी कंपेयर टू बॉम्बे पीपल. बॉम्बे पीपल आई थिंक आर मोर इनटू फिटनेस, दे आर मोर इनटू सैलेड्स एंड है थोड़ा सा.
Note to self. More salads, less bhaturas. You talked about दूध लगाया, बेसन लगाया.
वो मेरे पापा ने लगाया.
हाँ, of course. has there been anything that went bad horribly कभी भी किसी के पूरे घर में?
नहीं, never. Touch wood, by the grace of God. Like, I think because हमने मेरे at least me, my mom, my father, my brother, we've never still gotten to the. That's why I'm here, and I was asking so many questions to Doc here because we still haven't gotten to those peels and अभी तक नहीं हुआ है.
We'll change.
Yeah.
Let us change because I think it's you've been blessed. Let me first,
Thank you.
Start by saying that you've been blessed with great genes, great skin, right?
Thank you.
But उसकी upkeep भी उतनी ज़रूरी है. And
Yes.
of course, diet, etc., helps. Batutas don't. But yes, I think with time, it generally needs some work. It needs some help, which is what we have kind of always here for. Which is what Uncover is about, right? At the end of the day, Uncover is about bringing out the best version of yourself, the original you, right? It's not about कि हम fake कैसे करें, ये कैसे करें, वो कैसे करें. It's more about how do we kind of, like you take care of any other organ in your body. Skin is the largest organ, right, of the body.
Right.
And even hair, I would say, right? So, I keep repeating this कि आपका चेहरा जो है वो आपकी अंदर की हेल्थ का दर्पण है.
This is exactly what I also feel, and इसीलिए मैं जितना हो सके I stick to these juices that I have. I stick to yoga. I do a lot of breath work also. I do yoga. I stick to all of that because I feel जो अंदर जा रहा है वो बाहर दिखता ही है.
Yes, absolutely. But have you encountered some of these, जो viral Instagram trends हैं, etc., कुछ कहीं पे anything that you've seen? What? Okay, let me ask you.
I want to see.
Yeah.
I want to because I've of late seen some face. So recently, I want to I've been seeing these face sheets that are there
Yes.
throughout the night on your skin. I've never done that because I personally use oil on my skin in the night to moisturize my skin, and then I use this aloe vera cream that I have by Clarins. I use that, but I want to do that now.
Yes.
Some
I
like
think
nice-
it does help, by the way.
Okay.
So it does help, and
I always thought it was more like a fad thing, so I've never got into it. But yeah, I want to get into it now.
under the right guidance, it works. The problem is जब हम Instagram से उठा के बस चीजें सीधा चेहरे पे लगा लेते हैं, बीच में एक फिल्टर की जरूरत है. Generally मैं उस फिल्टर को dermatologist बोलूँ.
मैं वही बोलना है. That's the doc when comes into the picture, right?
Correct, right? So that is there. But what is the wildest thing that you've heard of कि यार ये एक हो गया, ये समझ में भी नहीं आया क्या हुआ, या फिर how does that work, etc., etc.
You mean a blunder?
No, not blunder, not necessarily a
Okay,
blunder, right?
okay.
So, but the wildest skincare trend, treatment, कुछ भी.
For me, because I'm not much into, that's why I think I'm here. I want to know so many things about skin. I think it would be these treatments. I've heard about it, that they kind of have this thread, something it is. I've heard that there's some thread that goes inside your mouth and it kind of pulls your skin and it makes you your face,
Jawline,
something, and it kind of melts inside after a few months. That is something is that I've heard it's like the most wildest thing because something is going inside and it's getting melted in your body. I don't know what.
These are essentially collagen threads.
Okay.
So what they do is, you're right, कि वो अंदर से वो skin के अंदर डालते हैं, and then slowly they kind of dissolve inside.
Okay.
And they'll kind of give you a tightening, they'll give you a facelift.
But don't you have to keep on getting this regularly then?
Not necessarily, right?
Okay.
So generally, if you get one treatment, it will help you for about a year, 2 years.
Oh, that's
And-
lovely.
Yeah. And then,
Oh.
of course, again, the problem is the air that we are breathing. See, body is going through oxidization process every second, every minute. So what we're trying to do with brighter skin, and skin tightening, etc., is basically trying to reverse that aging. तो oxidation है, उसका जवाब antioxidation है. So
So it's basically collagen threads that
Yes.
that are
Yeah.
put inside and it's from your mouth.
no, cheeks. So again, अंदर से यहाँ पे डालते हैं. So there's small puncture and you kind of pull it out.
That's interesting.
It is.
Okay.
In fact, one of the other things that we've and we do, by the way, this is one thing that was made very famous by the Kardashians.
Okay. The
My-
threads.
No, not the threads. The one that I'm telling. It's called the salmon sperm facial. So
I've heard of this. Please,
Yes.
I want to know more about it. ये इसके बारे में मुझे जानना है.
So,
Because
yeah.
salmon has been something that I've been like, you know,
Yes.
like I've been told to eat, but I'm a vegetarian, so
Yeah.
I avoid it.
So it's simple. Basically, salmon DNA, which is kind of taken from the salmon sperm,
Okay.
it has great rejuvenation properties.
Okay.
So that we kind of, with microneedling, etc., we kind of absorb within your skin,
Okay.
and it gives very good anti-aging, rejuvenation, etc.
And how long does this last? Like, I would like to know, like, for example, if I'm getting this one facial done
Yeah.
today, so is it like only for like 3 months, 1 month, 1 week? How long does it last?
आपकी एक अच्छी वाली जो जूस की डाइट है, how long does that last? You have to do it every day.
मैं हाँ मतलब in the sense it's a process of life and you have to be
Brilliant.
consistent with it. है कि नहीं?
That's the answer.
Okay.
You have to be consistent with it.
Okay.
So ये
मगर कितना often जैसे हर महीने कराना है like a facial?
Yeah, you think about it like that, right? So different treatments will have different kind of cadence to them, and generally what what we follow here is a cocktail. कि किसी
Okay.
एक चीज नहीं है, right? So
This is like a lounge for
हाँ.
all kinds of all kind.
Yeah.
It's like a beauty lounge.
yes, you can say that.
Okay.
But I would change the word beauty
Okay.
to skin wellness,
Okay.
right? Because what we promote is healthier skin.
Skin. Okay.
Would you look beautiful with that? Answer is, of course, yes. But aim वो नहीं है कि like aim सिर्फ पतला होना नहीं है, aim healthy होना भी है.
सही बात.
Similarly, यहाँ पे aim skin health है. Beauty is a byproduct of that, right? You were asking me about glutathione earlier.
Yeah, I
Right?
want to know like really because आजकल तो ऐसा हो गया है कि it's become like going to the salons and just getting a
Yes.
drip done sort of a
Correct.
thing, you know.
Correct.
इतना easy हो गया है आजकल like in marriages there are these IV booths nowadays.
Yes.
So I want to know about
Yes.
it because I've never done it,
Yeah.
not yet.
Yes.
But does that really help?
It does. So number one, by the way, we'll kind of starting a vertical where we'll also kind of be doing some of these marriage booths, etc.
Okay, so it's gonna be like
Yeah. So we have drips.
party karo.
Yeah. We have drips
Drip
for
मारो.
everything. So the खास करके marriages में the most famous one is the hangover drip.
Okay.
Because अब
So what is there in this hangover drip? Please tell me.
तो सारे रात आप पार्टी करोगे, सुबह हल्दी भी है,
Okay.
ठीक है? तो हम आपको बेसिकली हल्दी के लिए
Prep
अच्छे से
करोगे.
प्रेप करके रेडी कर
ठीक
देंगे,
है.
right?
बगैर पिले हुए.
Essentially it's essential vitamins, it's antioxidants, it's some little bit of caffeine,
Okay.
necessary vitamins and minerals,
Okay.
which will help you rejuvenate better
Okay.
and थोड़ा सा सिर दर्द कम कर देंगे.
So I want to know आपके जो क्लिनिक में
Yeah.
जो ड्रिप्स होते हैं वो आप लोग स्पेशलाइज करते हो इसमें कि is it some kind of the same thing that
Yeah.
I'll get it in every clinic or is it something different that I will get at your clinic because glutathiones हो रहे हैं, then there is something as
Yeah.
you said that it's like a hangover shot
Yeah.
that you're giving, so it'll be like medically made. What is, can you please
Yes.
tell me something about
Great,
it? Yeah.
great question, right?
हाँ.
Because the biggest problem with proliferation of these treatments in general इसकी फिर ना वो अब जैसे अब पहले फोन सुनते थे कि मोटरोला का फोन है, सैमसंग का फोन है,
हाँ
उसके
जी.
बाद शुरू हो गया हाँ जी वो हम 5 GB रैम देंगे, फिर अगर कहते हैं 50 GB रैम दूंगा, फिर कहते हैं 400 GB रैम दे दूंगा, एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ, राइट?
Okay.
सो समवेयर दिस इज काइंड ऑफ गोइंग डाउन द सेम पाथ,
Okay.
which is why it's very important to be at a good quality trusted center. Of course, the concoctions are not all made here.
Okay.
They're medical grade, so we have to kind of get
But they're made in India.
but they're made in India,
हाँ, that's what I
right?
wanted.
So हाँ, China की भी आ रही
अच्छा.
है like everything else.
Okay.
So you get that, but again that's where you have to kind of be at a good place because कौन पानी चढ़ा रहा है और कौन actually is giving you something that will work is a huge difference.
So do you have in your clinic
Yes.
different kind of shots, like one shot for your skin, one shot for your body regeneration, one for your overall, like I have heard about these drips that also kind of help in muscle recovery.
They do.
So do you all also offer
We
this
have-
kind of stuff?
Of course, we have all of it, right? So, and it's not only like कि हर कोई आ रहा है तो हर किसी को बॉडी रिकवरी के लिए एक ही चीज जा रही है. Anti-aging, by
So
the way.
basically you have kind of a specialist for this to guide you कि boss this month I think you require this, बहुत ज़्यादा party हो गई है, so थोड़ा skin के लिए ये shots ले लो, फिर बाद में body के लिए.
Correct. And again, a beautiful thing that you said and is not very well understood is you're not taking it as today.
Okay.
You're kind of optimizing for a longer period of time, and thereby you work on X today, Y tomorrow, and Z day after tomorrow, right? So it's a process,
Okay.
and it's not a wham bam, thank you, ma'am.
Okay,
Right?
so even if you're like for having your big day sort of a thingy, so is it that like you have to come a month prior, and then those shots are guided towards you, or what is it like?
For a
Or
big-
even
yeah.
like for like hota hai na that you want to just do like a makeover for myself, for
Yes.
example. So I have to like come here for like a 3-month scared, or what is it like?
The sooner you come, the better it is,
Okay,
right? The short answer is there is no short answers.
okay. There's no
Right.
shortcut.
There's
in
no
short.
shortcuts.
Yeah.
Absolutely not.
Okay.
Right? Everything that if you're working from it deep within. देखो अगर आपको सिर्फ एक दिन के लिए करना फिर मेकअप है. Right? But if you have to get to skin care and heal your skin.
But how fast does the effect show? Most important is that कि मतलब आज अगर मैं आती हूँ, मैं ड्रिप्स लेती हूँ,
Yes.
मान लीजिए,
Yeah.
तो ये मुझे शाम तक इसका रिजल्ट्स मिलेगा कि ये मुझे 1-2 दिन के बाद मिलेगा?
अगर वो हैंगओवर ट्रिप है
अच्छा, तो
तो
फिर तो
आधे
एक हफ्ते
घंटे में- आधे घंटे
अच्छा,
में
आधे
पता
घंटे
लग
आई तो एक हफ्ते बाद ओके.
तो आधे घंटे में पता लग जाएगा.
Okay.
But most facials etc. you'll kind of get a rejuvenation or some deep hydration etc. You'll feel it absolutely immediately, right
Immediately,
after the
okay.
treatment. But again, depends on what layer we are working on. अगर हम डीपर लेयर पे काम कर रहे हैं, राइट, सो अगर आप बोटॉक्स करा रहे हैं तो जनरली 24 to 48 आवर्स के बीच में you'll start seeing it, but week later is when we say कि बेस्ट होता है. Fillers again you'll start seeing immediately, but it will settle over 3 to 4 days.
Okay.
So different treatments have different. Again, we do something called GFC for hair density and
Okay.
hair loss. So that you need at least 3 to 4 sessions. So that
Okay.
would show results only after let's say 2 to 3 months.
Okay.
Right. So depends on what layer you're working on. The more superficial layer that we work on, the faster the results. And the deeper that you go, the more time, more
Okay.
effort, and better, I would say, skill. So coming to you and your journey, if you had to think about either one issue or one treatment that you really want to kind of go for, or that you suggest that everybody must at least try, क्या होगा?
For me, the only problem has been waxing. I travel a lot. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा travel करती हूँ. So for me, the most irritating thing was the hair laser removal. तो वो इतना मतलब मेरे experiences इतने अच्छे नहीं रहे थे in the past. तो it was always it was very वो current लगता था, चिटकी लगती थी. And then I eventually just gave up. So I was like, it's fine. I have a lot of patience. मैंने बोला ठीक है, it's fine. I'll just continue with my waxing and continue because I'm still waiting and hoping for a treatment to come which is painless, which is burnless, and which just feels like a massage happening on your body. Like literally, I'm like so done with that chitkis and that tichkis and all of that of laser. So this is one
Yes.
problem that I would pray to God that some solution comes which is painless and which doesn't leave the skin red also.
Tathast.
I swear, but I seriously, I genuinely, I'm like done with this thing, because when you're traveling
Yes.
too much, it gets like every country I'm going, every city I'm going, I have to be like, okay, first prepped and then head towards that city.
And trust me, it's a very common problem.
Yes.
And it's also a problem that doesn't need to be.
Okay.
So that's the core of, again, laser hair removal at the end of the day. If done well, if done, again, बहुत ज़रूरी है कि सही जगह पे अच्छी तरीके से अच्छी टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ कराओ.
Okay.
Right? And that's the beauty of where we are right now. पहले क्या था कि a lot of these top end treatments, all of these top end treatments used to be only available to the big and mighty, Bollywood stars, etc., etc.
Okay.
So, but आज की डेट में
But nowadays, everyone's become so cautious about their looks that I
Yes.
feel no woman is less than a Bollywood actress nowadays. Like
Oh,
literally,
of course,
है ना?
of course.
So वो तो अभी आजकल ऐसा वो
But
एक
pocket,
अच्छा
ठीक है.
Okay.
The problem is not what you feel. The problem is you have to be able to get it as well, right? So the way, again, laser hair removal
हाँ जी
at Uncover, मैं
हाँ जी.
बोलूँगा आपको, is so we use the absolute top line machines. So European machines, the best known for the Indian skin, right? So period,
Okay.
and they're painless. So
okay and burnless as well.
burnless as well.
Yeah,
See,
because that's something because pain तो नहीं होता but वो burn बहुत होता है at times.
वही बात है कि क्या
हाँ जी.
क्या रोटी बनाते हुए हाथ जलता है?
कभी कभी.
कब जलता है? When you're either not, you don't know the equipment or you're not well versed with the equipment.
Okay.
It's simple as that.
Okay.
If you're going to a place, again I'll repeat, sorry, but if you're going to a place which is using the top of the line equipment,
Right.
which has good dermatologists to kind of help
A good
how
team.
yes, and a good team of therapists who are trained on the equipment with everything, तो कभी भी इनमें से कुछ नहीं होगा.
Okay.
But अगर आप you go to a shady kind of place to save that last buck,
Very true.
तो देखो फिर वो तो
Shady places lead you to shady experiences.
absolutely couldn't have put it better. Couldn't have put it better. Right? So yeah. So I think laser hair removal, I agree with you. It's a big pain and should be done by everybody. मुझे नहीं समझ में आता आज की डेट में कोई भी, absolutely कोई भी, why are they even trying with waxing and other methods? I don't understand. I'm sorry, I don't get it. Yeah.
Maybe girls who are like little patient like me, like I
Yeah.
have lots of patience. I
Yeah.
can be like, okay, fine.
Yeah. You had the question.
Yes, मेरा एक क्वेश्चन था आपके लिए क्योंकि ये बहुत ही कंफ्यूजिंग चीज़ है. What is the difference between Botox and fillers? There are certain injections what I've heard have come with collagen as well.
Yes.
तो ये तीनों में difference क्या है? I want to know. Like it's my personal
Yes.
question.
Apples and oranges, by the way.
Okay.
So Botox works on. It's basically botulinum toxin, which basically आपके muscles को relax करता है, and it helps
Okay.
with lines etc.
Okay.
Fillers आपकी skin के अंदर inject किए जाते हैं to give you either hydration or volume. So अगर let's say dark under eyes है mostly because of volume loss होता है.
Okay.
तो अगर उसको fix करना है तो Botox से fix नहीं होगा.
Okay.
तो उसके लिए आपको अंदर fillers डालने पड़ते हैं so that the texture or actually the top layer of the skin kind of normalizes a little
Okay,
bit.
it's like
Or-
for like those deepened eyelids or something.
yes,
Okay.
या फिर आपको अपनी jawline sharp करनी है या face में हल्का सा lift चाहिए. So all of that we can do by getting fillers in. Botox on the other end is basically about relaxing the muscle.
Okay.
राइट तो अगर आपको इधर लाइंस आ रही हैं तो अगर आप यहाँ पे बोटॉक्स इंजेक्ट करोगे तो those muscles will relax
Okay.
and वो लाइंस थोड़ी सी रिलैक्स हो जाती हैं.
Okay.
Now there is a place where it gets confusing.
Yeah.
जैसे कुछ लोग को थोड़ा लिप्सी होते हैं तो some of those things can be done using Botox as well. It's called a lip flip. तो आपको ऊपर वाले लिप को थोड़ा सा
So basically, it makes your lip look like a heart shaped.
हार्ट शेप के लिए you'll have to go for filler again.
Okay.
बट हाँ सो अगर आपके लिप अंदर दबा हुआ है एंड आपको थोड़ा सा उसको ऊपर उठाना है तो वो हम बोटॉक्स से कर सकते हैं.
Oh wow.
So that is where it kind of starts to get to the next level. But at the absolute top level and superficial level, Botox helps you with lines and wrinkles.
Okay.
Fillers can help you with wrinkles, but mostly helps with shaping.
Okay. And
Yeah.
what about these collagen shots? Or they are more of the IV shots that y'all do, or is it like even those you can
Yeah.
inject collagen also on your skin?
Again, हर तरीके से होता है, right? So you can do skin boosters that can help you with collagen production. It's not necessarily कि
Skin
collagen.
boosters are injections.
They're injections,
Okay.
but their injections would again both superficial kind of injections होते हैं, which
Okay.
help you with better looking skin.
Wow.
Healthier
looking skin.
looking skin
Okay.
at the end of the day, right? So कुछ undulations हैं उनमें help कर देगा,
Okay.
overall skin texture में help कर देगा.
Okay.
And so on and so forth, right? So
Okay.
so we have those as well, but again collagen एक और सबसे ज्यादा misunderstood fad है, right?
अच्छा.
कि लोगों को लगता है कि collagen घोल के पी लेंगे तो सब कुछ हो जाएगा, right? So
मुझे भी यही लगता है. मुझे भी ये लगता है.
potentially can help. So,
Okay.
but mostly doesn't.
Okay.
Right? So, again, think of collagen as protein supplement.
Like a protein shake.
हाँ, ठीक है. Think about it like that. अब आप कोई वर्जिश नहीं कर रहे, कोई मेहनत नहीं कर रहे, कोई एक्सरसाइज नहीं कर रहे, तो आप जितना प्रोटीन पियोगे वो सुबह सुबह अपना रास्ता निकाल के बह जाएगा.
Okay.
But if you're exercising and you're actually, breaking your muscles, that the body demands more protein, and तब आप प्रोटीन का सप्लीमेंट पियोगे,
Okay.
तो फिर वो आपके मसल मास इंप्रूवमेंट में डेफिनेटली हेल्प करेगा.
Okay.
राइट? इट्स द सेम विद कोलेजन.
Okay.
If you're using, external collagen to further, let's say, a treatment that you've taken, where, again, most science beyond the treatments like microneedling, etc., is कि स्किन में अपने आप हमारी बॉडी के अंदर सेल्फ हीलिंग की प्रॉपर्टी बहुत ज़्यादा.
Already होती है, हाँ जी.
So most treatments, etc., are basically creating light trauma, small injury to your skin, so that वो redevelopment को हम किक स्टार्ट कर पाए.
Okay.
एंड उसके साथ आप कोलेजन लोगे, चाहे वो अब वो ड्रिंक फॉर्मेट में ले लो या आईवी फॉर्मेट में ले लो या फिर इन्फ्यूजन
So
फॉर्मेट.
आप लोग यहाँ पे भी IV कराते हैं?
We do IVs of all
collagen?
sorts for collagen as well.
That's nice. That's
So,
nice.
correct.
Okay.
I hope I answered your
Yeah,
questions
I
and but tell me this. This is you here and now.
हाँ जी.
Yeah, you've done a lot. You've
Not
accomplished.
yet, but
Yeah,
I don't
life
take it that way. हाँ जी.
Life is always work in progress.
बस I always
ठीक है,
believe in
तो
that.
but I think there are times when you should stop, reflect, and say, and
Thank
maybe
you,
even
God.
thank your stars and God, right?
I
Yeah.
always have gratitude. I
Yes.
just believe in practicing gratitude and बस उसके बाद फिर काम पे लग जाओ.
एक दो questions और around if you had to be if you had to pick one movie
हाँ जी.
where you would co-star with Govinda sir,
Okay.
कौन सी होगी?
जब बनेगी कुछ लिखेगी तो मैं कर लूंगी.
मतलब पुरानी में से. See, again.
I would never want to ever go back to the classics or go back to the past films. No.
अच्छा, मैं तो हसीना बन जाएगी घुस जाता.
So sweet. Thank you.
मैं तो 100% वहाँ पे घुस जाता. But if you get the chance today, do you think you would outdance him?
I would never want to outdance. I would never. I would take a seat back. I would just take a step back and be like, okay, you shine, you sparkle, it's fine.
This is a
Because
big question.
that's like a fangirl talking.
Yes. To a fanboy, trust me. I've said it, but
I am that kind of a personality. I like to go back.
अच्छा,
Fine, आप कर लो.
If you would have said कि maybe etc., मैं कहता कि आज डांस चैलेंज करें.
नहीं. I'm in a happy space.
Yeah. So good. And it shows by. So वो बहुत, again, I keep coming back, वो तो दिखता है ना, वो it has to come from within. There is no other way. Okay, so we'll do a quick rapid fire.
Okay.
It will encompass a little more than you yourself.
Okay.
But let's see how quickly you can
Done.
get to it.
Done.
Right? This is my Kejo moment. All right. Who takes the longest to get ready in the family?
Me. Because I love dressing up. I love to take care of my skin and my hair, and then I need to be having a music around. I take time, yeah.
Not Govinda ji.
No, he's
He's
quite
quick.
quick. Yeah, he's quick.
Wonderful. Okay, तो घर के अंदर, and this is again, some traits कि who kind of shows them the most, right? Who's the most protective one?
Protective? My dad. He's protective, yeah.
What's the कोई story या कुछ या जहाँ पे मतलब आपको लगा यार ये over गया कि नहीं? Which is the most protective he has ever been?
नहीं, but उनका protection अच्छा लगता है. If I'm traveling, he knows where I am. अगर उनको नहीं भी बोलूँगी ना, तो people in that city will be like, अरे she's come here. So it's like that. Yeah.
तो For me also, I have by the way, a 11-year-old daughter.
Oh wow, okay.
तो मुझे लगता है कि अगर वो भी आज से 20 साल बाद 25 साल बाद तू आपके ये बात बोल देगी ना तो बस then I would have been a good dad. Okay, who's a troublemaker?
Troublemaker. I think naughty is my mom. She's naughty.
I thought she would be the monitor.
No, she's naughty. And I think we both are the fun people. Yeah, fun people in the family. Yeah.
And not Yashoda.
Yash is very. He's not a troublesome guy. He's a very chilled out person. He's a very chilled out person. He's a chill guy.
Okay, and who gets away with doing everything?
Gets away with doing. I don't know. Yeah, we are a very sorted family in that way. ऐसे कुछ हम किसी को trouble तो नहीं करते. But
I
yeah,
thought at least if you and mom are the naughty ones, so one of you has to get away with more than the other.
Yeah, but not in a troublesome way. Like we never trouble. वो बोलते ना कि ऐसा नहीं है. कोई नहीं है ऐसे घर में. Sorted है घर में सब. अपने में actually.
मैं कह रहा हूँ ना मैं बार-बार हंसी ना मान जाएगी घर के अंदर भी.
नहीं है मेरे डैड है. He's a little हाँ है.
All right, and the best dancer.
हाँ जी. Dancer. My dad.
Again, trick question.
My dad. No, but my mom. We all are good dancers. Yeah. But पापा का ना passion अलग है. उनको थोड़ा सा. My brother's a very good dancer.
अच्छा?
Yeah. He's a very good dancer.
He's going to come up with something.
Yes, right? And he's a very good dancer. Touch wood.
Wonderful. But again, Govinda sir, I think he dances with his face.
Yes, but you should see my mom dance also. Then you should see my mom. No, she also dances very well. हम सब blessed है, अच्छे dancers है.
Wonderful. Okay, one skincare myth that you've believed for too long.
Yes, I used to feel that getting Botox done, though I still haven't got into the scene of it yet. But I used to always feel that by getting your Botox done, so once those effects start coming down, your skin sags even more.
Ouch.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me first clarify.
Yeah,
this.
because I was told that once you've got your shots done and everything is sorted, जैसे उसके effects कम होना शुरू हो जाएंगे, your skin will double sag, or your chin will double sag, or you'll require the second session has to be like double the dose. This was a myth that I always had about Botox.
No, it's absolutely wrong.
Okay.
It's absolutely wrong. Of course, once its effect goes, तो वो वापस आएगा, but it's not like वो पहले से ज़्यादा आ रहा है या
हाँ, मुझे हमेशा ये लगता था कि जब आपका बोटॉक्स का एक इफेक्ट कम होते जाएगा, वो स्किन और डबल सैग हो जाएगी आपकी.
नहीं, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं होता. In fact, most people start with Botox too late into the journey.
Okay, and how late? Like what age is too late?
It's actually a preventive treatment.
Okay.
इससे पहले कि बहुत dark lines आए और deep lines आए, you should actually take it much sooner. The moment you
when
start
you
seeing,
feel it's right for you.
I think internationally people say late 20s, but maybe even early 30s I would say is the right time for you to kind of start getting some initial smaller doses, of course, but shots, so that you can prevent those lines from coming altogether.
Okay.
Yeah, so the sooner the better, honestly.
Okay.
A stitch in time saves 9. So it's exactly the same story. Okay. All right. One beauty product that you'll never leave home without.
Sunblock.
A dermatologist's answer. Right? Yes, the most important part.
I totally believe, and I swear by sunblocks, but I have still not started with the medicated ones. I am still into my Dior's and Shiseido's till now. But I love sunblocks. Even if I'm going for my morning walk, I have to apply my sunblock and go.
Even indoors. Again, one of the things that people don't know.
Yes. Even when I'm shooting, like whether it's behind camera also, because there's so much of lights behind the camera and on sets also. So I literally put lots of sunblock.
Wonderful. Your skincare routine in one line.
Simple, organic, and effective.
Wonderful. And अगर हम बात करें कि what's Tina like in these situations?
Okay.
And I'll give you some options, because it's more related to skincare, etc. So what's your now the next is about you
हाँ जी.
in different occasions.
Okay.
Tina is going to a big fat Punjabi wedding. She's a glam queen or a minimalist?
Minimalist.
Okay. On your first date, romantic and effortless or full diva mode?
Romantic and effortless. जैसे हो वैसे पसंद करना चाहिए, है कि नहीं?
हाँ.
दीवा तो कभी भी बन सकते हैं.
Original you. ये वाला लेगा. ठीक है. Okay. The beach vacation, barefaced glow or full glam?
Barefaced.
But full sunblock.
Full sunblock.
Yes.
Yeah. And lots of highlighters. I love highlighters.
If you have to name one Bollywood queen, diva, whatever you want to call her, who's your ideal from a skin perspective? ठीक है? कौन होगा?
Wow, that's a very interesting question. मैंने कभी ऐसा सोचा ही नहीं था. Because I've always liked people who are not from Bollywood, because you know actresses always get all the access and everything. I've never really thought about it, but you know, of late I've really started to like Priyanka Chopra's skin. It's dusky, it's very well hydrated, and I don't know, there's something very nice and natural about her skin that is glowing with the color and tone that she has. And I think it also comes because she looks very comfortable in her skin also.
Wonderful. I don't think again we could have been a better answer to this. Comfort, being yourself.
Yeah.
Original
Because
you.
I have just been noticing Priyanka, and I actually really kind of see a lot of reels of her mom. I really like Madhuji's certain tips that she gives and all of that. I follow her on Instagram. But I really like Priyanka's skin. It's like nice, and she looks very comfortable with her skin tone and very, very well hydrated skin. And thank you so much for having me.
Anytime. You're always welcome back, by the way. But before we let you go, what would you want to leave everybody here and all of us with one mantra that you think is most important for you to, of course, glow from within and to get that confident, original you?
I think the most important thing is to love yourself and to make yourself a number one priority first. And then the world should come.
Yes.
This is something that I totally believe. Love yourself, pamper yourself, nurture yourself, because I believe, you know, this is the place you live in, and जितना अपने आप को खुश रखो अंदर से, उतना बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी भी होता है और उतना ही अच्छा भी होता है, I feel.
Yes. Oh, thank you so much for that. I couldn't agree with that more. In all of this, you know, रोज की भाषण में हम भूल जाते हैं, right? That at the end of the day, happiness, care, everything comes from deep within. Taking care of yourself is the most important part of taking care of your skin, your hair, and that is what will only and only help you be a better person and then ultimately look better.
And
so
also
thank you.
pampering yourself. It's
Pamper yourself.
very important.
Yes.
Taking care तो कर लेते हैं, जुगाड़ भी हो जाता है, but pampering yourself is very important, I feel.
And thank you so much for taking the time to come here today and being with us.
You're most welcome, and thank you for having me.